One wrong reading can fry your circuit, waste money, or put you in real danger. Most people trust cheap tools, but they lie. Today, we're exposing the best digital multimeters that actually give accurate results when it matters most. Which ones do pros trust, and which should you avoid completely? Stay with me. This could save your project, your car, or even your safety. Let's start. Number 5. Neotech delivers a professional-grade, universal digital multimeter built for confidence and safety. This auto-ranging tester accurately measures AC/DC voltage and current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, diodes, and continuity, with a 2000-count backlit LCD for clear readings. CE-rated overload protection enhances circuit safety, while the rugged, non-slip orange shell with built-in stand boosts durability and hands-free use. Lightweight, battery-powered, and precise, it offers reliable performance, real-world value, and peace of mind for automotive and household diagnostics. Number 4. Astro AI delivers a confidence-boosting digital multimeter designed for universal use, combining professional accuracy with everyday practicality. This 2000-count tester precisely measures AC/DC voltage, DC current, resistance, continuity, and diodes, making it ideal for automotive circuits, household outlets, batteries, and general electronics. A bright backlit LCD, fast 2 times per second sampling, data hold, and auto shutoff improve usability. Dual fuses, shock-resistant silicone casing, and low battery alerts enhance safety, while its lightweight, durable build offers outstanding performance and value for money. Number 3. FNIRSI DMT99 delivers a professional-grade, high-confidence testing experience built for universal use. This 9,999-count TRMS digital multimeter features intelligent auto-ranging, real-time recording and monitoring modes, and customizable voltage alerts for safer diagnostics. A bright 2.4-inch TFT color display ensures clarity in low light, while dual ceramic fuse protection boosts safety. With AC/DC voltage and current testing, resistance, capacitance, frequency, diode, and NCV functions, plus a 1500 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers durability, precision, and outstanding value that keeps viewers watching. Number 2. Kweets delivers a professional-grade digital multimeter designed for universal use, combining 20,000-count true RMS accuracy with fast auto-ranging for precise, reliable readings. It measures AC/DC voltage and current, resistance, temperature, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, diodes, and continuity with NCV and live alerts. Built with Cat3 1000V and Cat4 600V safety ratings, dual ceramic fuses, and silicone protection, it ensures durability and user safety. Clear backlit display, smart jack lights, min-max tracking, and long-term reliability make it outstanding value. Number 1. Mestech delivers a professional-grade clamp meter built for universal use, combining true RMS accuracy with 6,000-count precision to measure up to 600 amp AC/DC current and 600-volt voltage safely. Packed with NCV detection, VFD and low Z modes, temperature testing, continuity, capacitance, and diode checks, it's designed for real-world troubleshooting. The backlit display, LED flashlight, auto range, and data hold boost usability, while Cat 3 and 4 safety ratings, overload protection, and rugged build ensure reliability, making it a high-value, durable choice for confident, safe diagnostics.